Okay then.
Okay.
We need a glass of water ready. Hold on.
Dude, we have a sink, you know. Water comes out of
You
it.
can't drink.
I drink from the tap all the time.
No, you can't drink. You're not going to stick your head over
Now
the
you
tap.
gotta film with me drinking milk.
Yes, I do.
Mm.
Milky water.
No, she got freaking died.
Oh, that was my hand. Ew.
What the hell happened?
I told you.
What the hell happened?
Oh my god, it went on my nose! It came out my stinking nose!
And it went on my hand, too.
Wait, what exactly happened there?
Well, I started laughing, so milk came out my nose!
We just proved that happens when you laugh. Most people don't believe
That
it.
actually happened! Oh!
Hey, calm down. Yes, I know, your spittle is gross.
Yeah, calm yourself, woman.
Yeah.
I need to wash my hand, you know.
You got,
I just happened to be there at the moment. Okay, calm yourself, and we're going to attempt.
calm yourself.
Beat with a spoon.
No, do not hit the cameraman.
Why not?
Ready?
Because it's illegal.
A nice full spoonful.
This should be
That's my full
amusing.
Okay.
Okay.
You see this? This is, what is
We're
this?
going to eat
This is
powder.
chocolate. Okay.
Chocolate powder.
Ready?
Otherwise, hold on, I gotta take deep breaths.
Oh,
Hold on, go first. Okay, excuse me.
Set.
Go.
Go.
Oh my god.
Yeah! I did it!
This is Andrea dying.
I did it!
Ah!
Very proudly, I did it.
Okay, there we go. That's my failed attempt in the sink there.
Almost went out my nose, almost.
Well, that's happened to me before. I hate that.
Powder, oh! Powder, your nose hurts.
I know.
Now it's all in my cheeks like some chipmunk.
Stop making me laugh.
You're still eating that?
Oh yeah? Yeah. Watch this. Watch this.
Andrew, do it. Let's go.
Okay. Doing it again. Yeah.
Don't laugh at him. I gotta make chocolate milk in my tummy.
What?
I just blew out.
Okay, they're puking.
Um,
Andrea, are you
I'm
okay?
I'm okay.
You're gonna live.
I'm okay. I
Alright,
didn't wipe my face off.
Okay, she's gone.
thank
I'm
you.
okay.
In our attempts, I feel very...
I'm covered
Odd.
in stinking chocolate.
She got covered in chocolate. Obviously, she did not win. I won.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's over. Bye-bye.
How do you stop it?